Hey my beautiful Tea Party squad, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Takoa, and here at my Tea Party I love to share with you guys my love of planning, organizing, and occasionally showing you some unboxings. And so that is what this video is going to be today. I actually am going to be unboxing my order from Notiq, and this is actually my second order from Notiq. And so if you have caught my first unboxing from Notiq, then you saw what I picked up, and I did tell you, I told you I was going to be buying some more stuff. So I cannot wait to show you what I purchased in my second order. And so if you want to see what's going on here in this box, then stick around. All right, guys, so I told you I'm all about the packaging, and I just love how she packages all of her stuff. And so this is like her little signature paper. I got this in my last order, and so I love how she put this on the inside and kind of tape it across. But I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of rip that because I feel like I'm gonna get some more of that paper inside. So let's open it up. And I am an affiliate for Notiq, and so if you love the purchase that I actually picked up and you love this unboxing and you want to get this, then feel free to check my description box down below so you can get my discount code and use my link to go ahead and make your purchase, because I promise you, you will not be disappointed. Okay, so let's see. I think I might need to do a little bit more opening here. Yes, let's do that. All right. Hopefully I didn't rip anything in the inside. All right. Are y'all ready? Oh my goodness. Okay. Let me take that out first. Okay. You guys, look at this. Do y'all see this? So we're going to go through this. Yeah, we can go through this first, and then I'll let you see what I picked up. I'm really excited to see this. Oh my goodness. All right, so I actually picked up consistency trackers, and it is in the pearl and white, and it is the half letter size, and it's made to fit the 8 disc, or it can fit the 8 disc. And so, like I said, I love her packaging. She always writes like a little personal note, but she doesn't even have to do that. I mean, just the packaging itself just lets me know that she takes her time putting that in there. But I just love, love, love her little cards, and I have actually been keeping them. So I believe this is a freebie because I didn't order this, but this is really cute. A little notepad. We'll definitely be using this. This is really cute. Ooh. So that's probably like a little freebie that she threw in there for me. So thank you so much. All right. And then she also included like the mission for Notiq, which is awesome. Definitely will be keeping that. Oh. I'm going to frame this, y'all. I'm putting this in a picture frame. Like this is going to be like, this matches my craft room, and this is, oh yes, I'm definitely putting this in a picture frame. All right, so here is my consistency tracker, and I thought this would be really good to have in my planner. Instead of doing like some habit tracking, I can actually keep up with them. And I believe it's only 3 on a page, but I'll open it up and let you guys see that till its fullness. So it is loose, and this is cardstock. Like, this is quality paper, but it's a little flexible, but it's pretty hard, and so I do like that. Let's see, how many do we get? Does she say? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I get 12 of these consistency trackers. And so all it says is today, and then you get to write down what you want to keep a track of. And it's pretty much, yeah, I love this actually. And I can check it off. Yes, I love this. And let's see, is it front and back? Nope. So it's just 3 to a page, 1, 2, and 3. And I can pop this into my happy planner, and I love that. So I got 12 of these. So this should last me a while, or at least for a few weeks it should. All right, so that's what I got. Now it is time for this beauty right here. Okay, I'm just trying to brace myself, y'all, because I'm really excited about it. I was a little nervous about getting it because I was like, I don't know if I'm going to like this, but I just knew that I was not going to be disappointed when it comes to Notiq. So, I don't even want to rip this. Let me see. It's a little technique to her wrapping, and I think I figured it out. All right, so you guys, of course, I did get a cover, and I love this because it comes with a little duster for your covers and for your planners. Y'all, when I tell you, okay, so I did get a cover for my happy planner, right? And so this is actually going to be something that I'm going to be using up for the upcoming year of 2021. And so I just thought I'll go ahead and get a jump start on getting this, right? So, so you guys, I picked up the Blush Croc Luxe Vegan Agenda cover, and it is a ringless. Yes, it is. It does not have any rings in there, but you guys, oh my goodness. Okay, let me calm down. Okay, y'all. So I saw this on the website, and I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna like this like crocodile print. I'm like, I don't know, honey. Do y'all see this? Look at this. So it has like a little clear protective adhesive on, and that's rose gold. Like, that is right up my alley. So I'm going to show you the inside, and then I'm going to show you what I'm going to be using it for, which is pretty much self-explanatory, but I just want to go ahead and kind of like play with it a little bit. Honey. So I put that away. That's just for extra packaging. So I do have my little pockets here. I have some right here. So I have 1, 2, 3 pockets, and she put in her little quality paperwork here, or her little card. Love that. So cute. And then you get that nice little no-Teek embossing on there. And you guys, look at y'all. I am impressed. Then you also get some of these secretarial pockets as well, which I absolutely love. And so I didn't realize here, I just realized it now. I do have some pockets here. Are these like, yeah, so these like little card slots. So I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 card slots here. And then I get some of these pockets here. Oh, and I have one right here too. So I have another little pocket here, and then some more secretarial pockets in there. So I bought this because I wanted to actually put in my happy planner. I have the classic size. And so if you're new to Notiq, or you've been contemplating getting one of these, I'll make sure I put in the actual item number of where to get this and what to look for if you have the classic size happy planner. So this is one of my happy planners that I absolutely love and I use. And actually this has that rose gold disc on there. Look how that look against that. So I know I'm going to have to take off my little pin loop here, which is fine with me, because guess what? I get a pin loop right here. So I'm okay with taking away my pin loop that's actually located up under the little flap here. So what you're going to do, again, this is designed to fit the classic size happy planner, or if you have the go-getter planner, what else could it fit? It may fit the Erin Condren as well, but you just slide in your cover just like that. I got it in there all the way. And then voila, I have a nice chic cover for my happy planner. And I love this because it looks so business-like, and it looks so grown, like grown lady. So I cannot wait to start using this, but just to have it just on my desk. It makes it look really cute, and it goes with my decor again in my craft room. I'm all about coordinating and all that with my craft area. So I love this. This is how the back looks. Again, this is the Blush Croc Vegan Agenda cover. It is ringless, and it is called the Midi Classic. Whenever you pick the Midi Classic, it fits the classic happy planner. It is a medium cover, and it's just the cover that you get. But I did also pick up the consistency trackers as well to include inside of my happy planners. And I could actually slip this right in here to keep as I need them. I can actually just slip it in here, and when I want to use it for an upcoming week or the week that I'm planning for, I can just slip it in there, and just like that, I can pop it in inside of my spread, and I can check off all of my little habits and things I want to keep a track of as far as being consistent with things. So I kind of got an idea of what I want to use this for. So I'm really, really excited about that. So you guys, this is all that I got for this second order. I will be, trust and believe, your girl will be placing another order. I cannot wait. Like I said, I've not been disappointed yet. It is just, so if you're just looking for something really stylish and classy, you need to go with Notiq. And not just because I said so. I mean, you can tell just from the quality, the way she packages her stuff. It is amazing. So again, I got this to fit on my classic size happy planner, and I cannot wait to show you what that is going to look like as I set it up for the upcoming year of 2021. So I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing. If you did, please, please, please give this video a thumbs up. That lets me know that you enjoy me unboxing my Notiq items that I purchased. And if you want to make your purchase, please make sure use that discount code down in the description box. I will link that as well. Check that out. That lets me know that you guys love Notiq as well. And it saves you a little bit of money. So if you are new here to my tea party, again, I just want to welcome you. I do hope you consider subscribing to my tea party so that you can become a part of my squad. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.